So now in this lesson I'm going to start with a project that has a title block in here loaded in, and it's missing the field of our sheet counter. So we could either open up the title block through just going File, Open, but in this case I'm starting at a project level with a title block that does not have that particular field in there. Okay, so it doesn't matter how you get into the title block. I'm going to pick on this title block for editing and say Edit Family, and I'm going to say yes, open it up. So you can open up this family any way you want. Within there we've got our regular out-of-the-box parameters and some dimensional constraints and stuff in here. So scale and all of these labels here come out of the box. Okay, project name, sheet name, the sheet name here as well, sheet title, and now we want to put in a parameter that we can manually put in the number of sheets. So we'll start off by creating what is a shared parameter. We can do this from within the project, or we can do it from within the family file here. So we go to Manage, we go to Shared Parameters. Inside of there I'm going to actually create a new shared parameter file. If you have one you can use it. If you don't, you can create one. So I'm just going to go in here and say create, and I'm just going to go down to my desktop and create a new file called CADclips shared parameters. And then that's just going to be a txt file, by the way. So once I have the file created, I'm going to go in and create a new group and call this title block. That's the group it's going to be in. Group it under there, and the actual new shared parameter, the only one in there so far, is going to be called number of sheets, and it's going to be an integer, right? No decimal places and counting up. So that's it from there. We leave our discipline as common, hit OK. Hit OK. Now we've created our shared parameter. Again, you can do that in the project or from here because it's an external file. Once that's created, now we add in a new label. So we'll come back in our next lesson, continue here in our title block family, and we'll add in our new label with our shared parameter.